When a thermostat calls for cooling, the red terminal connects simultaneously to the common control circuits that activate the reversing valve, fan motor, and compressor. During a cooling call, the thermostat ties the 5 terminals together at the control stage so that power from the red terminal flows to the orange terminal for the heat pump reversing valve, the green terminal for the fan relay, and the yellow terminal for the compressor contactor. Internally, the thermostat closes solid-state switches or mechanical contacts that route 24-volt power from the transformer hot lead, marked red, to each load circuit so they energize at the same time. Best practice when testing is to measure for 24 volts between red and each of the other terminals one at a time while commanding cooling to confirm the connections are made. Do not jumper terminals together at the equipment end unless you know the system design, because that can bypass safety interlocks. If the system uses a staged compressor or separate compressor contactors, wire labels, and a wiring diagram, will tell you whether the yellow terminal actually drives a relay coil directly or a controller input. Treat yellow as a call for compressor and follow the equipment wiring. When replacing a thermostat document, the original terminal connections with a photo and a note of whether the reversing valve is energized on cooling or heating so the new device is configured correctly. Common mistakes include assuming the orange terminal is always energized only on cooling, which can lead to reversed valve operation. Verify the system type and set the thermostat valve orientation accordingly. Another frequent issue is shorting the fan and compressor circuits during bench testing, which can blow the transformer or trip safety fuses, so always test with the thermostat in place and use a multimeter rather than jumpers. A third concern is mislabeling wires during removal, which causes incorrect energizing sequences at startup. Take clear photos, mark wires with paper tags, and transfer labels exactly to the new thermostat. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like cooling system, wiring, and service. Our site also hosts a discussion community where members share practical tips, wiring photos, and troubleshooting experiences.